doors wide. Come on in, let's take the ride. Hotels, views, worldwide. Our crazy room tour life.
Okay, room tour of Mandalay Bay, one bedroom penthouse sky suite, room 60220. You come in here, and you go a bit of artwork on the right into connecting door. You come in here, you've got a closet there, which is for your coats and for your guests. You've got a wet bar here, TV. This side, obviously you've got the bar and the bar here that you can purchase, but in the next one here you've got your own fridge for your use. You've got the rest of empty cupboards, but you've got a couple of wine glasses and ice buckets. In here there's a separate toilet and basin. You go through here into your lounge area, TV, really comfy sofa, bit of artwork, a couple of chairs over there, see a couple of bar stools, and then if we use this to open, we have a lovely view. So we're on the 60th floor, which is only 2 from the very top. We've got the Allegiant Stadium over there. We've got a fabulous view of the pool. So that's the wave pool down there, and the lazy river over there. And then obviously over there you should be able to see the Las Vegas sign somewhere over here. And the airport. So yeah, pretty high. Nice big lamp there. Another view of the lounge area. I think it says it's seating for 10. So I suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. And then we'll go through these nice big double doors. And we have the bedroom area. So we've only just arrived, we haven't unpacked, so our cases are there at the moment. So you have big, I mean, this probably doesn't do it justice how big this is, but a big king size bed, huge bedside cabinets. We've got a telephone there, we've got USB ports and sockets on the lamp. And probably on the other side, you've got a clock, radio alarm. Yeah, you've got sockets. Can't see a USB on that one, but there's some sockets. And then obviously you've got the view again, big windows, writing desk. You have another telly here. You've got big drawers here, 6 drawers. Big mirror there. And then here, you've got your closet. So this side here, you've got the safe, ironing board, somewhere to store your luggage, big heavy doors. And then this side, you've got your closet, I don't know, I'm calling it a closet, wardrobe with a couple of robes, more space there, and some hanging space. And then in here, double doors, bit of a bang. You've got your main bathroom, so you've got double vanities, you've got some hand wash, some body lotion, your hair dryer, small hand wash, mirror there, big walk-in shower, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Just looks like the one shower head, but it's nice. And then you've got your big soaking tub here, which looks nice. Bit of artwork, nice wallpaper, and then you've got your separate toilet in here. A bit more artwork. So there you go, that's a Sky Suite, Mandalay Bay 60220, 1 bedroom penthouse suite. I mean, it's safe to say I'm pretty impressed. Over here you can close your drapes as well, and your curtains. the door.